Surfinder playing with
a package is what she's playing with.
It's a package.
Today we got a special package from eBay with a toy.
Wendy Wolf.
Wendy Wolf that we couldn't find in stores anymore, so we had to get it on eBay. Yeah, let's see. What is it? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I think it is a Wendy Wolf. Oh, it is a Wendy Wolf, just like what we ordered. Open it up. It's Wendy Wolf in a beautiful, beautiful yellow dress. Aww. Dun, 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 dun.
She's so cute.
She is so cute. Let's see. Put her to the camera. Right there. Don't move. That is Wendy Wolf. And we are going to play with her with the rest of our toys right here. Everybody's lined up. They've been waiting for Wendy Wolf. All right. See ya.
Bye. I put it in the